Have you ever opened a brand new pair of sneakers and wondered how thousands of perfectly identical shoes ended up on store shelves around the world? They all have the same shape, the same stitching, the same logo, and the same comfort. Yet, each one passes through dozens of manufacturing steps involving rubber, foam, fabric, glue, heat, and surprisingly skilled human hands. What looks like one simple product is actually the result of one of the world's most complex manufacturing processes. Let's explore how it really works right here on Simply Understood. Every sneaker begins as a digital design. Engineers create a detailed 3D model, deciding everything from the tread pattern on the sole to the exact placement of each stitch. But before anything enters production, dozens of prototypes are tested for comfort, durability, flexibility, and grip. Even small changes like moving a seam by a few millimeters can affect how the shoe feels after hours of walking or running. Once the design is finalized, manufacturing begins with the individual materials. Most modern sneakers aren't made from a single fabric. Instead, they combine mesh for breathability, synthetic leather for support, foam for cushioning, rubber for traction, and plastic reinforcements for stability. Each material arrives at the factory in large rolls or sheets. Computer-controlled cutting machines slice these materials into hundreds of precisely shaped pieces. Some factories use oscillating blades, while others use lasers for intricate patterns. A single sneaker may contain more than 50 separate parts before assembly even begins. Next comes stitching. Skilled workers or automated sewing machines join many of these pieces together to create the upper, the entire fabric portion that wraps around the foot. Logos, eyelets, labels, padding, and decorative panels are added during this stage. Although automation has increased, sewing remains one of the hardest parts to fully automate because flexible fabrics constantly shift as they're handled. Meanwhile, the sole is manufactured separately. Most midsoles are made from lightweight foam materials such as EVA or expanded TPU. The raw material is heated until it softens, then injected into metal molds under pressure. As it cools, it expands and hardens into the familiar cushioned shape. The outsole, which contacts the ground, is usually molded from durable rubber with carefully designed tread patterns that provide grip on different surfaces. At this point, the shoe still exists as two separate pieces. Bringing them together is one of the most critical stages in the entire factory. First, both surfaces are roughened slightly to help adhesives grip more effectively. Industrial glue is carefully applied, and many factories briefly heat the adhesive to activate it before the upper and sole are pressed together. Large hydraulic presses apply even pressure across the entire shoe, ensuring every part bonds securely. Some athletic shoes use additional stitching to reinforce the connection, but for many modern sneakers, advanced adhesives provide most of the strength. In fact, today's industrial glues are often so strong that the surrounding material will fail before the bond itself separates. After assembly, every shoe goes through finishing. Loose threads are trimmed, excess glue is removed, insoles are inserted, and laces are added. Workers inspect each pair for cosmetic defects, checking stitching, alignment, color consistency, and overall shape. Even slight imperfections can cause a shoe to be rejected before it ever reaches a customer. The deeper story is that sneaker manufacturing is a balance between automation and craftsmanship. Massive machines can mold soles with incredible precision and cut materials in seconds, but many assembly steps still rely on experienced workers. Soft fabrics stretch differently every time they're handled, and tiny adjustments made by hand often produce better results than fully automated systems. Factories also have to manufacture at enormous scale. Popular models may be produced in the millions every year, often across multiple countries. To ensure every pair feels identical, manufacturers constantly measure weight, dimensions, flexibility, and material quality. Even slight differences in temperature or humidity inside the factory can affect how foam expands or how adhesives cure. So, production conditions are carefully monitored from start to finish. The next time you lace up a pair of sneakers, it's easy to think of them as just another everyday product. But behind every step you take is a carefully coordinated process involving advanced materials, precision machinery, and skilled craftsmanship. It's a reminder that even something as ordinary as a pair of shoes is the result of thousands of small decisions, all working together to create something that feels effortlessly simple.